Hi, thanks for tuning in. My name is joebougher. I'm with Transwest Trailers. And today I just wanted to do a real quick video on the hydraulic functions of a lowboy. This particular trailer we're looking at today is a TK120 HDG, and it has a TB2, which means a 2-axle hydraulic booster, connects to the back end. These trailers have to be ran hydraulically, and you have a couple different options when you're as far as how you run those hydraulics. A lot of people will choose to have a wet kit on their truck, and if you do, you would just connect your hoses, your pressure, and your return to the front of the trailer, and you would be able to run the trailer function of it. The other option is, if you don't have a wet kit, there is a pony motor on the trailer, and you would run the hydraulics from the pony motor. On the side over here, we have a diverter valve, and I'm gonna have my cameraman kind of zoom in on that a little bit. You can see one side says SCU, the other side says PTO. The SCU is a self-contained unit, and the PTO is a power takeoff for your truck or your wet kit. So it's just a diverter valve, you just switch it however you are choosing to use it. The pony motors are super convenient, and they weigh less than having a whole wet kit on your truck with all the hydraulics. However, in really cold weather, sometimes they act as a glorified lawnmower engine and get finicky to start and that type of thing. So I always recommend having a wet kit to run the hydraulics. But sometimes you may have a truck that breaks down and you need to move the trailer with another truck that may not have a wet kit. So having a pony motor on a trailer is super convenient. But one of the things that you have to do that many people forget about, and it can decrease the life expectancy of that pony motor, is shutting the fuel off after every use. If you don't, the fuel can get down into the crankcase and cause a lot of issues with the trailer. So I'm gonna have my cameraman come over here. I'll show you where to shut off that valve to the fuel after every use. So right here you have the fuel shut off sticker, so to speak, and a nice convenient place to stick your hand up in there to have access to it. And you can see the carburetor bowl, so to speak, the fuel bowl, and then right to the right of that is the shut-off valve. So you would shut that off after every single use. We got wind and trains going around everywhere today. So I'm gonna shut it off real quick. Oh. I don't know if you can get in there and see that or not, but it's in the off position now. So that's just a super easy way to increase your life expectancy on a pony motor. That's it. Have a great day.